Hey y'all, and welcome to another week. Man, these weeks be flying by so fast. So this week, nothing much really going on. And I can't say nothing much really going on because I'm going to be working every day except Thursday. My stepdad's mother passed away from stage 6 liver cancer, and so we're gonna go down to the funeral. So like if it was close to town, you know, like then I probably would have just went like not even half a day. I just probably would have went until like 9, but they don't even get that satisfaction. So we'll just be at home Thursday and then leave from town like around 9:30, and then get down there about 10:30, 11, and you know, from there have the funeral, everything, come back home, blah blah blah. So that's that, really. I have groceries that I need to pick up today because I'm doing a grocery order that will last me for a week and a half. I didn't really order any fruits. I've just kind of steered clear from that because you know, when you bring fruit when you bring fruit in the house, it creates nets. Like, it brings nets. So I'm just like, nope, not doing it. But anyways, I am trying to get some breakfast at Chick-fil-A, but the line just seems like it's not moving, and I have like 13 minutes to get to work. Yes, please. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm at work. Just finished my broccoli cheddar soup. So bomb. So good. So I bought some leftover for my coworker. Y'all, it just smells so good and it tastes so good. But anyways, well, I got a quick second. I wanted to show you guys my OOTD for today. So my outfit for today is simply this. I have on like the pants that I got from the hospital, a black shirt to go with it, my Huaraches that Charles got me for Christmas. Finally have been able to find wardrobe that goes with those. So anyways, I'm gonna quickly get my bag together. I think there was something that I wanted to print off, but I just have to check. Lunch-wise, I have a seltzer. I don't know. I'll probably take that back home. Then I got some chicken and minis. Got my strawberry liquid IV in here. Who knows, y'all? But anyways, Sky is not, I'm not gonna say not feeling the best, but she just has like a little cold, so she's gonna go straight home with me today so that I don't have to worry about coming back over here. All right, y'all, so this morning I was easily able to go ahead and just hit that button to check out on groceries for a whole week and a half. The reason why I was able to do that is because when I woke up, I was like, all right, let me try and get on Kroger, see if I can get a spot for today. And I was able to do that because I wanted to make sure that I caught the deals that they have this week. And I definitely can share the deals with you all just to show this is the time to catch Kroger when the deals are going. So I'm going to share with you guys my meal plan for the next week and a half. And of course, it honestly might even be longer just because there are still a couple things in the deep freezer and freezer that we could use. But I wanted to make sure like I had a meal plan ready and that I had food in the house ready to go. All right, y'all. So I have went in and put in an order that will last me for a week and a half, basically. So today is Monday, and I already have food for today, so that's why I started with Tuesday. For Tuesday, I'm doing chicken tenders and fries, which means I just need to get the items that are in parentheses. So chicken tenders and fries, sandwiches and chips, meatloaf, tacos, hot dogs and french fries, pizza, cereal, cereal Lunchables and meatballs, hamburgers, Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, meatballs, ramen, pizza rolls, cereal, yogurt, sandwiches, and spaghetti. So I got really lazy at the end and just forgot to put the stuff that I need, but clearly I need ramen, I need pizza rolls, I need cereal, which I already got, and I need bread, which is already written down. And then I picked up some deli meat, and I picked up some extra spaghetti sauce. I already have the noodles, and just needed the meat. So this should last me for a whole week and a half, roughly. And then I won't need to go back for a while. All right, y'all, so in the meantime, it is 4:24. I don't have to pick my groceries up until about, well, the latest that I can pick it up is 8. What I'm gonna do now is get ready to prep up the 2 pizza kits or whatever. And what I'm gonna do is allow those to be made, and then it has to sit for 5 minutes. We're gonna attempt to make some Halloween themed pizzas. So we could do one in the shape of a pumpkin. We can do a ghost. We can try. So it's just gonna be a family night where we will attempt to make these pizzas by hand and try and put it in that shape. So the quick and easy thing that I am doing is using the pizza kits from Kroger. So I bought 3 of these at 89 cents each. The good thing is all I have to add is half a cup of hot water, or like tap water, and then put 1 teaspoon of grease over top of it once we form it into a ball. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep up 3 of those, and then, you know, just allow like my kids to do 1 each, and then I can try 1, and then that's what we're gonna have for dinner, along with some french fries. All right, pizza sauce. I got the pepperonis here, which could be used for like the eyes and the mouth to make like a jack-o'-lantern. So that's what we're gonna try to do. The kids really don't like pepperoni, but it's a-okay. They can peel it off. It's just something to do together as a family. And of course, I got 2 things of pizza cheese, so we should be straight. And then kind of just go from there. All right, so here's the mix from 1 packet. All right, we need half a cup of hot tap water. All right, y'all, so next you form it into a ball, and that's where we put that 1 teaspoon of oil on it. And I love to use olive oil on mine just because it makes it a lot smoother for when I'm like ready to pan it out. So I'm going to put them on a plate because I'll have 3 of them, and they need to be in a place that's you know, kind of warm. So the warmest place I can think of would probably be my microwave, just because it's whenever it's cold outside, really cold, the microwave is really cold. So I don't know, we'll just do that. This is just a way to like grease it. So I like to roll it around in that olive oil and give it like a good coat. And once I do that, I can easily just set that to the side. So number 2. All right, y'all, so the last thing to do is just like allow that 5 minutes, and then what I'm gonna do eventually is roll it out using the pizza cutter to cut out the shape of a pumpkin and the shape of a ghost. All right, so this is what's going in. 10 minutes, y'all. Here's our ghost expanded. Made by you. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get ready to head to Kroger to pick up that grocery order, and I'll show you guys the groceries once I get them. Alright, so I'm going to start with non-cold only because these items are easier to get put away and then put the frozen into here. So 18 count of classic Frito-Lay's chips, variety, Star-Kissed tuna fish lunch kit to go, thing of vegetable oil. Also got 2 of the ramen noodle soup, beef flavored, Italian style breadcrumbs, chicken broth, a thing of mac and cheese, 4 sodas. So we got orange, citrus drop, Dr. K, and then grape. These were 4 for $5. Milk chocolate morsels, basically, all chocolate chips basically. And then Donut Shop blend coffee, chocolate chip chewy dipped granola bars, Moana flavored fruit snacks, fruit roll-ups, variety pack. There was a coupon for those. And then I got the taco dinner hard and soft kit. And then chips were, I think, save $1 each, or they were $1.99 each. So we got the Zapp's potato chips. This is the New Orleans kettle style voodoo chips. We got the Tostitos scoops. And then we got the Cantina thin and crispy ones. They got salt on them, y'all. And then I got garden salsa sun chips. These were free, just like the other day when I got the free bag of chips. And then I got 2 boxes of cereal. One is the Captain Crunch Berries, and the other box is Reese Puffs. That fell behind my deep freezer. I also got 2 of the Ragu Chunky Garden combinations sauces, except this one is tomato, garlic, and onion. That one's the garden combination. There was these were $1.79, and then these had a coupon where it only made it like $3 for both. All right, I got 2 more things of the classic white bread where people can make peanut butter and jelly, ham sandwiches, toast, Nutella sandwiches, you name it. Produce wise, I got 2 green bell peppers to do Philly steak cheese, Philly steak and cheese egg rolls. Got a whole bag of yellow onions. Got a 12-pack of Gatorade, and then the French vanilla coffee creamer, some orange juice. Got some Go-Gurts. This is Frankenberry, and then I got some Swiss cheese, the Bluey yogurts. These are strawberry banana, and then raspberry, 2 of the cinnamon rolls, a new thing of milk. Then we got the Kroger Deluxe chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, Oscar Mayer hot dogs, 10-pack, and then I got some ground beef, which also was on sale. And then the hot dogs were $3.39, so not bad. So everything was still at the same sale as the other night when I went. Got the chicken dunks, so still buy one, get one free. So I got the pizza, treatza, and the chicken dunks. Like I said, buy one, get one free. And they were like $3. And then I got some ground turkey, a thing of 18-count large eggs, some maple pork sausages, to make for breakfast over the weekend, the Oscar Mayer uncured ham, and then I got 2 of the Johnsonville sausages. One is the andouille, another one is the beef, and then I got 8 burgers. These are the 100% pure burgers, pure beef that is. We got crinkle cut fries, crispy chicken strips, pizza rolls, just cheese. And then another pizza that was $2.99, Red Baron, classic crust, 4 cheese, and some garlic knots, Parmesan garlic. So this was everything other than the hot dog buns and the hamburger buns and the everything bagels.